Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Seat Leon FR in for a dyno and remap. So we know where we're starting from. Let's get it strapped down to the dyno and find out what it's running now. After that first run, we can see that the Seat Leon FR is running 188 brake horsepower and 401 Newton meters of torque. But we think we can definitely do better than that, so it's time to get the file off the car, up to our technical team, and find out just how much more power we can give it. So the file's been written and loaded back into the car, so it's time to get it strapped back down and find out what it's running now. So with its new map, this Leon is running 231 brake horsepower and 496 Newton meters of torque, a vast improvement over standard. And if you'd like an upgrade on your Leon or any car, give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.